Hi guys, Christian here from Technik. Behind me, a C8 RS6 wagon. We're about to install the Eventuri intake on this C8 RS6. I just want to go through a few of the fine details on this kit. In particular, the inlet pipes. In my hands, I have the aftermarket Eventuri inlet and the factory inlet pipe. Now, as you can see, there is a significant difference in size in comparison between the two. The other difference is Eventuri have removed the internal deflectors heading up to the turbocharger, which we anticipate will reduce the amount of turbulence going into the turbos. In addition to this modification, they completely re-engineered the design of the intake to allow for optimum airflow, all the way down to the point where they've actually put the whole kit on a different angle to the factory system to help the air flow up and into the inlets as best as possible. The other part of this upgrade is a set of high-flow Supersprint stainless steel downpipes, which will be coupled with our Stage 2 ECU tune. We expect some pretty big performance gains out of this car once it's installed, so let's get to it and get these in the car. Okay guys, we can see the full Eventuri system now fitted to the RS6 upgrade that we've been doing. You can look at the immaculate detail this system has, all the way down to the labelling on the hoses themselves. Now that we have the intake fitted to the car, you can really see the angle change that we were discussing earlier. They've really taken into account how the air flows up through the front ducting up into the inlet pipes on the turbochargers. We're just quickly going to weigh the car now before we go out and road dyno it. It's part of the procedure of making sure that we get all the parameters that we need to calculate the performance of this car using our road dyno tool by Magic Motorsport. We're just entering in the weight that we got off the car into the run that we did before we started modifying the car, so we get a proper baseline. That will then save in the app so that we can then go out now and do the after runs and see where we are in comparison. Okay guys, in classic Melbourne tradition, the weather has turned on us and unfortunately the rain's come down, which has made it very difficult for us to get our testing after we've upgraded this car. We did manage to get a couple of runs in, but we're not 100% concrete on whether they'll be the final figures at the end of the day. But we did still see 100 Nm gain and a 65 kilowatt improvement. So it's still a phenomenal difference and change in this car that the customer is going to definitely notice. To find out more, make sure you jump onto our website, www.evolve-technik.com.au, and jump into the Tune My Car application we have there to see what performance gains we can offer you.